do wish they would keep up. No discipline, that's the trouble with the goslings of today.
They're probably tired, dear. We've been marching for an awfully long time.
Poppycock! Would you prefer that we fly with a chute on the marsh? I think not, my sweet. This way.
Excuse me, I wonder if you can help.
Keep walking, dear. Eyes front. UFO at 4 o'clock.
You see, I'm lost.
No excuse for bad navigation. A bird who gets off his flight path doesn't deserve its wings. That's what I always say, isn't it, dear?
Always, dear. But I can't even fly yet. I've got lost on foot.
Bah! Infantry, eh? Messy business.
He's only a youngster. Maybe we should direct him. Give him his marching orders.
I'll see for myself. Ooh. Very well. We are geese, migrants, you know, birds of the passage. We're on a tight fleet. Wouldn't do for us to lose our way.
So where were you trying to get to? Back to my mother, on a lake. I think it must be in that direction. I saw some ducks flying over a few minutes ago.
Well, if you did, it's probably their last flying mission.
What do you mean? There's a chute on the marsh. It's very dangerous. What is a chute? Well, it's a people sport. One group of men move through the marsh scaring ducks into the air, while a second group, with guns, shoot them back out of the air again. The cats warned me about people. The cats? Yes, you see, I went off with these cats. Didn't your mother tell you how dangerous a cat is? Well, yes, she did, but the cat said that they were my friends. Oh, you don't want friends like that, dear. Your mother was right to warn you. She was?
Gundam, they must be starting to shoot again. Time for maneuvers. I hope it wouldn't come to this, but I have no option. All right, company, fall in. I didn't mean fall in literally. All right, at ease. Now, we are about to take part in an exercise, the likes of which we have not faced before.
Oh, one of them is it?
Our task is one of reconnaissance and reunification.
Oh, here we go again. Translation, Dot. This duckling's lost his mom. Bless him, and we're going to find him. If that's what he means, why don't he just say it?
You are a fine body of geese, and I know you will give it up your best. Good luck.
My mother? You've seen my mother?
Of course. She sent us to come fetch you.
Listen here, Cat. I am the commander of